is Neil Gibson. My degree was Masters in Mechanical Engineering with Spanish, and my company is called T-Pub. We make comics. On a day-to-day basis, what I do is I write scripts, I see the artwork that comes back from the artist, I arrange publishing, distribution and marketing, and try and make the best comics that we can. Well, I've been a fan of comics for about 10 years now. I got into them quite late. I always assumed they would be just all superheroes or childish. So when I read a good one, I couldn't believe how intellectual they were. But I was on a project as a management consultant in the Middle East, and the project was quite easy, so I had this free time in the evening. With my friends and family back in the UK, I started to write. And the response was so good, I put out a book and people loved it. So last year I took the plunge, quit my job, and I make comics every day. If someone wants to change their career path, I think they should be very clear on why they want to do it. A lot of people get bored in their work, especially when they first start working, because it's not what they had in mind. And that's a risky option to take. But if you're clear on what you want to do and why you want to do that, then you should absolutely just make the plunge and go for it. Because if you do what you love doing, every day can be fantastic.
Yeah, I've got him written down. Actually run that.
Well over 95% of companies fail within the first few years. But don't be put off by that, because if you know what you like doing and prepared to put the hours in, you should absolutely go for it. But when you do decide what you're going to do, make sure you have a team around you that can help support you. And that can just be friends or family. But they have to be people you can bounce ideas off and of a high caliber that can help you get where you want to go.